Hello and welcome to another video where we will show you the different ways to make money online using AI and your phone. How lavish would life be to use just our phone to earn $900 per day? Indeed, as 2023 unfolds, it brings forth a fresh wave of technological advancements that continue to astound us, presenting unparalleled opportunities to harness and capitalize on for financial gain. And in this regard, let's not overlook the one common thread that unites us all. We all possess a phone. So let's start with that. And if you want more valuable ideas and techniques like these, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel to remain up to speed on our latest material. Let's begin. Today, we'll discuss utilizing the power of AI and the convenience of your phone, allowing you to unlock countless possibilities in the digital landscape. Whether leveraging AI tools to enhance your content creation, exploring freelance opportunities, or tapping into the potential of selling digital goods, these provide a gateway to turn your skills and creativity into tangible results. The first business model on our list is Social Media Manager. Social Media Manager specializing in local private business owners, influencers, etc. The aim is to strategically manage their social media platform and enhance their presence, maximizing their visibility and reach on their various platforms. By offering your expertise, you can charge your clients a fixed monthly amount for your services. The earning potential in this field is significant, with the potential to earn up to $400 or more per day, depending on the number of clients you handle and the level of service you provide. With your skills and dedication, you have the opportunity to help your clients thrive in the digital space and achieve their business goals. Now, there are specific tasks that you can efficiently handle using just your phone for this type of job. For instance, taking advantage of the newly updated feature that allows multiple WhatsApp accounts on one device can significantly benefit you in your chosen path as a social media manager. You may wonder, why is this beneficial? Well, let me explain. Having multiple WhatsApp accounts on one device enables social media managers to 1. Respond promptly and prioritize client messages, improving customer satisfaction. 2. Efficiently organize and manage client communications for a streamlined workflow. 3. Provide personalized attention by tailoring strategies to individual client needs. 4. Maintain confidentiality and privacy by separating client conversations. 5. Facilitate collaboration and teamwork through group chats and file sharing. With the capability of multiple WhatsApp accounts on one device, you can optimize your efficiency, streamline communication, and provide exceptional service to your clients. It's a valuable tool that can enhance your productivity and contribute to the success of you and your client's business. The second business model is UGC, or User-Generated Content. This refers to any form of content such as text, images, videos, reviews, or testimonials created and shared by users or consumers of a product, service, or brand. UGC is typically generated by individuals who are not professionally associated with a company or brand but have an authentic and genuine interest in sharing their experiences. Your clients can pay you up to $550 daily depending on your skill level and how many clients you handle. UGC has become increasingly popular and influential in the digital era, mainly due to the rise of social media and online platforms. It's transformed how businesses and brands interact with audiences and market their products or services. UGC benefits businesses in several ways. One is authenticity. UGC is perceived as more trustworthy as it comes directly from real users. Number 2, engagement and community building. UGC fosters a sense of community, loyalty, and brand advocacy. Number 3, social proof and influence. UGC serves as social validation, influencing purchasing decisions. Number 4, cost-effective marketing. UGC leverages user creativity, reducing the need for expensive branded content. Number 5, diverse and rich content. UGC provides a variety of content types and perspectives. Number 6, viral potential. UGC has the potential to go viral, increasing brand visibility. Number 7, market insights and feedback. UGC offers insights into consumer preferences and behaviors. Businesses often employ contests, hashtags, user reviews, and testimonials or invite customers to share their experiences on social media platforms. UGC has become a powerful tool for brands to engage their audience, build trust, and amplify their marketing efforts in an authentic and relatable way. The third business model is freelancing. Freelancing is a business model that involves offering services to clients or businesses as an independent professional, typically on a project-by-project basis. As a freelancer, you can choose the type of work you want to undertake, set your own rates, and work with clients of your choice. You can find freelancing gigs on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. The earning potential in this business model is as vast as the sea. The pool of potential clients is seemingly endless, presenting abundant opportunities. To succeed, you must offer a proficient skill or expertise, ensuring you stand out in a competitive market. Freelancing offers independence and flexibility. Be your own boss and control your work schedule and location. Diverse clients and projects. Work with various clients to expand skills and network. Unlimited earning potential. Set your rates based on the value provided to clients. Skill development and growth. Continually learn and enhance expertise. Professional autonomy. Choose projects aligned with your interests. Lower overhead costs. Fewer expenses compared to traditional businesses. Global reach. Work with clients worldwide through online platforms. It's important to note that freelancing also comes with challenges, such as self-discipline, managing client relationships, marketing your service, and handling the financial aspects of your business. The freelancing business model offers independence, flexibility, and professional and financial growth potential. Success as a freelancer requires skills, determination, adaptability, and a strong work ethic. The fourth business platform on our list today is print on demand. Print on demand is a business model that allows individuals or businesses to create and sell custom-designed products without needing inventory or upfront production costs. And you can use several AI tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney for the design and concept. With a passive business model, you can potentially generate a lucrative income of up to $500 per day. Here's a breakdown of the print-on-demand business model. 1 is product creation. Design various products as a canvas for your unique artwork. 2 is integration with online platforms. Partner with print-on-demand providers that integrate with popular e-commerce platforms. Number 3, order fulfillment. Print-on-demand providers handle printing, packaging, and shipping. Number 4, no upfront costs or inventory. No investment in inventory or production upfront. Number 5, customization and personalization. Customers can personalize products for enhanced engagement. Number 6, scalability and variety. Easily expand product offerings and designs as your business grows. Number 7, profit margins and pricing control. Set prices based on fixed production costs to maximize profits. Number 8, branding and marketing opportunities. Promote your brand through various channels. And if you're interested in a print-on-demand business model, I recommend you watch our previous video for more detailed information. The fifth business model is selling digital patterns on Etsy. Selling digital patterns on Etsy is a highly advantageous business model that empowers individuals with creative crafting skills to harness the platform's global reach and monetize their talents. You can achieve remarkable success like some top-performing Etsy stores that have achieved extraordinary total revenues of $1 million or more through passive income. This cost-effective approach eliminates the need for physical inventory, shipping, or production costs, allowing sellers to focus on creating high-quality digital patterns and delivering exceptional value to their customers. Etsy provides a user-friendly platform that supports easy listing creation, customizable shop features, and seamless digital downloads, ensuring a smooth and convenient experience for sellers and buyers. The beauty of this business model is not just its accessibility through a phone, but the fact that you don't need any prior experience to embark on this journey. In fact, getting started is incredibly straightforward. All you have to do is visit Midjourney, a platform designed to create patterns and unleash creativity. It provides the necessary tools and resources to guide you through the process, making it easy for beginners to dive into digital pattern creation. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or passionate about creativity, this business model opens up endless possibilities to create and share your unique patterns with the world. Check out our other videos for more detailed information about selling digital patterns on Etsy. Our sixth business model on the list today is content creation. Content creation is a versatile and in-demand business model that has gained immense popularity in the digital age. It allows individuals to leverage their creativity and expertise to produce valuable and engaging content across various platforms, including blogs, videos, podcasts, social media, and more. By consistently delivering high-quality content that resonates with their target audience, content creators have the opportunity to build a loyal following, establishing themselves as industry experts, and monetize their efforts through various avenues such as sponsorships, partnerships, advertising, and product sales, making it a rewarding and fulfilling entrepreneurial pursuit. When you repeatedly watch someone's videos throughout the day, you and the content creator can develop a unique connection. This continuous exposure to their content can create a sense of familiarity and trust. As a result, when that content creator promotes or sells a product, you're more likely to have confidence in the quality of the offering. The relationship you form through their content builds trust, making you more receptive to the recommendations or products they endorse. This phenomenon highlights the influential power of content creators and the impact their consistent presence can have on shaping consumer perceptions and purchasing decisions. With this business model, you can expect to make at least $1,000 daily, potentially making much more. These diverse business models offer unique opportunities for individuals to pursue their entrepreneurial ambitions and achieve financial success. Whether it's through freelancing, print on demand, content creation, affiliate marketing, dropshipping, or Amazon FBA, there are avenues for various skill sets and interests. The key lies in selecting a suitable business model, honing your skills, and leveraging the available resources and platforms to maximize your potential for growth and profitability. You can embark on a rewarding journey toward business success with dedication, creativity, and a strategic approach. And that's a wrap. We hope you found this video to be beneficial and exciting. Remember that there are several online money-making opportunities, and if you want to learn more, check out our other videos. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and ideas on expanding your online presence and turning your interests into a profitable business. We thank you for sticking around, and we will see you in the next one.